The Xiaomi 13 Ultra, the company's flagship smartphone, will be unveiled on April 18th at a global launch event that Xiaomi has scheduled. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will also make its Chinese debut at the same time as the worldwide launch, while the Xiaomi Pad 6 is anticipated to be introduced at the same event. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra has been a subject of rumors for a while now, with many platforms leaking information about its features, appearance, and even price. The smartphone will be Xiaomi's most expensive product to date, according to leaks. A roughly 6.7 inches 2 Kelvin AMOLED curved display panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz is included on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. This makes it obvious that the Chinese smartphone manufacturer is ready to improve consumer streaming and viewing experiences. An octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage is supposed to power it. According to rumors, the smartphone will feature a 49 mAh battery inside. 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless fast charging will be available. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra will include lenses made by Leica, according to the press statement. A quad-camera system with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX989 sensor and 3 additional 50MP sensors may be used for lenses. The smartphone is said to have a 32-megapixel selfie camera, according to additional leaked data. The phone's design has also been the subject of leaks, and the event teaser also showed us the camera module. It's a somewhat oversized circular camera module that appears to have 4 sensors inside. This is consistent with the device's leaked renderings, which also revealed a punch-hole selfie camera and curved edges. Additionally, 2 color variants for the smartphone are anticipated to be released: white ceramic and black leather finish. We now have a rough idea of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra's potential price thanks to numerous leaks and rumors. The smartphone is anticipated to be released in 3 models, with prices ranging from $930 to $1,100. This cost is conversion-based, and it varies according to the market. Thank you so much for watching our in-depth review of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment below, and we'll be happy to engage with you. Until next time.